Well, here is my Serger. I love this thing. I'm going to clean it though, because I've been using it. It's dirty. And this is after one use. Let me get the light down here so you can see a little better. So after one use, I've got fuzz all over. And ooh. I'll cut that part out. Alright, from this angle, perhaps you can see a little better. So, yep, that's dirty. So, what I've been doing, now they said not to use canned air, because it can blow the fuzz deep down into the machine. So I've been taking just some old paint brushes. This is just what I have. And I've been going through and just trying to get and then, and this is going to be noisy, so I'm going to have to mute it, that I just use my vacuum. Now, I don't know if you can tell. Let's see if I can get in there any better. Right down in here, there's still some more stuff. And I'm working on how to effectively get rid of that. So if anybody has any tips on what they do to get rid of all of that, I'd love it if you would leave it in the comments down below. But for now, this is what I'm doing to try and keep my Serger clean after use.